Now let's review and practice a bit. Read the following sentence and add ed to the bare infinitive of the regular verb to make sentences in the past simple. Julie to pass her exam this March. Julie passed her exam this March. Remember that we use contracted forms to make negative sentences. I'll, am, etc. Julie not to pass her exam this March. Julie didn't pass her exam this March. Note that we use past tense form of the irregular verbs to make sentences in the past simple. Read the following sentence and change the irregular verb into the past simple. Jake to eat tons of fast food as a kid. Jake ate tons of fast food as a kid. Also, remember that we use contracted forms to make negative sentences. Read the following sentence and turn it into a negative sentence. Jake not to eat tons of fast food as a kid. Jake didn't eat tons of fast food as a kid. Now read the following sentences and make the correct form. Make sure to pay attention to spelling. I forgot when was the last time to cry. I forgot when was the last time I cried. Pete to stay at home last night. Pete stayed at home last night. My mom to drop her phone in the pool. My mom dropped her phone in the pool. Now read the following sentence and use the correct form of the verb to be in the past tense. I to be hungry and wanted to buy some Italian food, but my friends not to be eager to join me. I was hungry and wanted to buy some Italian food, but my friends were not eager to join me. Look at the sentence below and find the time markers. It felt like the party was just last night, but actually it was 3 weeks ago. Last night? 3 weeks ago.